I'm just here to redeem myself today.
From what?
For the way that I've acted in other videos.
You act, that's how you are. It's the truest form of you. I gotta make a seat pan. That's what I have to do.
Alright. Hey, do you want me to draw the
Do you-
seat pan? Do you know how it needs to be shaped?
I already have one part of the seat pan made.
Oh.
You
did that to yourself.
It's like it's gonna come apart in like 2 seconds.
I might be regretting my decision on
Sure. I figured you would. That's why I didn't tell you we were filming today. Shave. I'm gonna shave a tiny little bit off of this. It's getting shaved, Andrew. It's getting shaved. Just slightly though.
What do you eat?
Just slightly.
Yeah.
Sheet metal poppy. That's what they call me. Guys, what's up? You St. Patty's Day? Where's drop kicks at? I couldn't find the aux cord, dude. We should be shipping up to Boston right now. The fact that we're not is a sin to our forefathers. We're gonna do that. We're going Mansfield, Lee. Alberto's, bitch.
Does he force you to go there?
No. We will be going there tonight. You will be. And you will be liking it.
Where else would we go?
Where else would we go, dude? Where else?
The cat?
The cat, baby. It's the Boyts and the cat. And that's the only 2 stops in your future.
Me and Andy will leave here right fucking now.
Andy's on our side, baby boy. Alright? You fucking made it. They're in the wrong place.
Me and Andy will leave here right now.
Sketch your little sketch, come on.
I got them all figured out.
You're all sorted out? You already did it.
I know.
Let's get those wheels on the bike, baby.
On?
Yeah. They're over there.
That was part of the job
You were talking big game earlier. Can you get my roller, please? Okay, boss. Okay, boss. I need to roll. Yeah. You need to rock and roll. It's not all sunshine and rainbows down here. It's not all pre-war knucklehead parts.
I thought it was.
It is usually, okay? Just not now. You didn't want to hear about it. We could have been talking about pre-war knuckleheads. God, I hate this roller so much. I hate it so
Get an
much.
English wheel?
What?
Get an English wheel?
No.
No, you don't need one? Why not?
The sheet metal poppy does not have any.
I don't. The sheet metal poppy don't need an English wheel, okay, baby?
Why not?
Because he ain't English wheeling nothing. Yeah, well, if you were hammering something and then wanted to take the hammer marks out, like if I was hammered this thing all curved and curved, and you need to take the hammer marks out.
If you were going to make a gas tank.
If I was making a fender or a gas tank or...
Have you done that?
Have I made a gas? Not on I've used an English wheel, yes, on like, you know, you air hammer the shit or whatever.
Yeah.
And then you hit the English wheel, take it out, you know, that kind of stuff. Yeah, I've done that.
That's cool.
I've done those things. Once or twice.
Yeah.
Like a pasta maker, but for metal.
Metal pasta maker.
Oh.
Yeah, because this thing's fickle, and if you don't just start from 0 and move it every time, it's gonna fucking fuck it up.
This is how you modify your body, though.
This is a mod situation right here.
It's these types of things that modify your body.
See, it's starting to get
Wow. Now, why are you making that? What is that going?
This is gonna be the back part of a king and queen seat. And let's do a fender. This is gonna be the fender part of the king and queen seat.
So, it's safe to say that each time you put it through this, it gets harder.
I should clamp it.
It gets harder and harder each time you put it through there.
Well, clamping it would probably make it a lot easier, but
You know? I do know. Now, I know.
I'm just here to redeem myself today.
from what?
For the way that I've acted in other videos.
You act, that's how you are. It's the truest form of you.
What the hell is this?
I need that. That's Rocco's layout. I gotta bend those tubes tomorrow. Bod modding a frame.
Oh, body.
Okay. It's a nice
But they're
drawing.
1 and 1/8, and I guess we don't have an 1 and 1/8 die.
I'm assuming we don't.
Yeah, I didn't realize that.
Could you make one?
We just buy one.
Could you make one if you had to?
I guess so, yeah.
Maybe you should draw me out a little sketch. I'll make up a.
Yeah, you think you got that in you?
You'd be surprised, John.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, I love your confidence.
Well,
I love your confidence.
it's deep rooted.
Good.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's deep-rooted confidence. It's in my chakras.
That's fantastic. I love that, you know?
It's something I've been working on
We
mentally.
need a new roller.
You don't like that?
I hate it so much. Because these things are all pitted. These are all like pitted from... Let's see what happens.
Hey man, you think I'm on language.
Work. I was hoping that this wouldn't be as drastic because it's a little like shallow, but it will look a little funky. Pain in the ass. You know what I could do? You know what I could do?
Can't wait to hear it.
Start over.
Yeah?
Yeah,
You might have to.
on this one. I'm gonna cut a new piece. I'm gonna start over. I got an idea. It should work. If it doesn't,
Wait, did you learn the technique?
I have a technique. And I'm gonna execute the technique.
Okay.
Do we have the
I
shrinker?
thought we returned them.
We returned them?
I thought we did.
Why?
I
Did
thought-
we?
I thought we used it once and then returned it.
Why did we do
I
that?
don't know.
Fuck.
What'd you guys return?
I mean, it was a pretty terrible. Oh, was it because we were gonna buy better ones?
That was the plan.
Fuck.
It was Harbor Freight.
It's not great.
Harbor Freight sponsors us.
They sponsored
Hey,
you?
sponsors, we won't return your tools anymore. So I gotta go get it.
I guess.
Might as well. Yeah, I mean, it ain't gonna work unless I do that. Charlie, we're going for a ride.
What'd you bring me?
A shrinker and an expander.
So since that's done, you know what that means.
What?
It means we all go get some food. Together.
Just ignore him. At this point, just ignore him.
Has he been doing this the whole ride?
Just ignore him at this point. Okay? All right, let's make a little strippy piece.
Nice. Very nice.
That's right, dude. Sheet metal papi.
So is that the same piece you cut out of there earlier? You're just doing a redo, or do you needed another one?
What?
Oh, you cut one out of there earlier like that.
Yeah, but then I decided
Are
that
you changing it?
I'm changing the design.
Oh, okay.
You might want to make a little. Yeah.
I'm being serious.
This is why. This is like a bit wired. What?
I'm being serious. I'm not being fresh.
Yeah,
I'm
change the
curious.
design. Yeah,
I'm curious.
yeah. I made one in the rib. We decided that the rib wasn't gonna work with the way that I made the thing. So I might have done that.
What are they doing now?
Shrinking metal. Now,
Yeah.
which way do you think it crimps? You think it goes this way?
John, how did you put that ribbon?
What?
I said, John, how did you put that ribbon
With
in?
my mind. Get it, Craig. Get it, Craig! Get it!
That motherfucker's gonna break, dude.
Probably. It's Harbor Freight.
We'll return it.
That's the one.
This is not gonna fucking work.
Oh, we got it. Hit me. Without the rib, it should go like that. I think. Go. Yes. Excellent stuff. Okay. Go. I remember this taking a long time too. I remember it being not a smooth process.
Is it doing anything at all?
It's doing, yeah, it is. It's flexing. All right, I know which direction it goes. Here it is. Let's just get to work here. It's honestly this shit's probably the wrong gauge for this thing. This thing is probably rated for like 22 gauge, 16 gauge
I'm out of here.
aluminum, 18 gauge mild steel,
I'm out of here.
18 gauge mild steel.
Watch this.
Wait, hold on, dude. Hold on.
It's gonna take forever.
Hold on,
I
dude.
don't
Wait.
care that much.
Charlie,
You know,
just
fucking
Charlie.
YouTube
Just
it.
watch
Charlie.
When I'm
Wait, just wait.
in a week.
Just watch this.
Just wait.
I'll
Chill
YouTube
out.
it.
Chill out.
I'll YouTube the process to shrink.
Hey, chill out. Tell me, are we going?
Can I go out that other door over there? Is like the bells and whistles gonna go off?
No, you're
over
fine.
in the car.
You're okay.
Over in
You're
the
not
car.
going anywhere, Thursday.
I'm going, dude.
No.
I'm cold.
Are you?
I'm
Shut the
hungry.
door.
No,
We're gonna get food. I
We're
got some
not.
peanut butter.
we're not.
Eat the peanut
You
butter.
want some pickled mangoes?
Well, you want pick mangoes? Oh, eat some of that curdled milk in there.
The eggnog?
The eggnog, dude. You love eggnog.
What is
Wait.
going on?
It's
You're going the wrong
going the
way,
wrong way.
John.
It's going the wrong way. All right. There you go. Go.
Disgusting. Yeah. Golden eggnog.
No, that's the one.
Oh,
In the jar.
God. Ketchup and mustard.
No.
I am going.
Bye.
All right, I'm going. Bye.
No. Whoa.
Look what he just did.
Charlie.
Look at this thing we just did.
Just ordered some pizza.
We're getting tacos. Chill out, dude. You love tacos. Charlie.
There's a boiled dinner cooking right
Charlie.
now.
It's St. Patty's Day, dude.
dinner by myself.
Kiss me, I'm shit faced, dude. Come on, bro.
Oh, the alarm's gonna get set off.
Bro, the alarms are set. Once we get into Dynas, which will be a couple more years from now, once we've accumulated then all the knuckleheads we need, we're on Dynas.
I just stripped that.
You did?
So bad.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's
We're
tight.
good, right?
That's really cool. All right, we're expanding metal, I guess. Use your thing. Use your tool.
I just feel like
Use your tool.
bad things are gonna happen if
Why? Oh, that's the right one. This thing is like getting so fucked up. It sucks. This is like, I mean, we've done this in the past. I don't know why it's not working now.
All right, back to square one.
Back to square one. Cut a new piece.
We're learning. We're learning.
Lift the pedal up. Good. Andy, you step on this side. Crick will step on that side.
That's good, right?
Yeah, hit it. Go ahead. Watch your fingers. We'll cut those things right off. No, I ain't ashamed to say it. Round 3.
Huh.
Teddy's on the case.
Did we read the directions
Last time? I refuse to believe that, but
Okay, try it. We're never gonna get this done, and the video is gonna just be us ruining sheet metal. Never gonna be the right thing. And then I'm gonna make it when no one's here, and no one's gonna ever see that we actually did it right. Everybody go to throwdogs.com.
Yeah.
Click the link here and here and here and here, okay? Andy's gonna put that all in. Like and subscribe to their YouTube channel. Go there, get all your hardtails, get all your sissy bars, get all the parts you'll ever need for a motorcycle.
I heard they have shovelhead hardtails in stock right now.
They have shovelhead hardtails in stock right now. Go buy them. Go hardtail your shovelheads, because shovelheads don't need shocks.
Free candy with every word.
Yep, go to Chop Cult, get on the forums, learn how to weld.
Bing, bang, boom.
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 I gotta leave. Sorry. It's 8.
Don't apologize to me. Apologize to them.
Sorry, guys. Yeah, that sucks. Bummer.
Well,
Bummer on the seat pan front. Yep. Figured out what kind of knuckle stuff we have.
this is nice.
Knuckle stuff. Check it out. Should I just put a bigger fucking...
That one was pretty wide. It makes more sense too.
It would make more sense. Should I
Gives-
try this one more time before we call it quits?
I have time. So
Do
now,
you?
Now or never.
Let's fucking do this. I gotta go. Here, I'm gonna put a peek on this thing. Great. You fucking... Shrink your sheet metal.
I'm trying to do it methodically, where I'm doing it the same thing every time.
In the act of stretching, you must go easy. You must take it in increments. Okay? Or you'll blow your O-ring.
I need to stretch more often.
Mm-hmm.
Did I ever tell you about
Keep telling me.
when I lived with my parents
I...
and my dad and I would wake up for work at the same time,
Mm-hmm.
and I'd walk out in the living room and he'd be in his underwear in the living room doing stretches.
No.
Straight up.
Shut the fuck
And
up.
my dad is not a stretcher.
Shut the fuck
Straight up. And I'd be like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm going to stretch.
In his underwear.
In his underwear.
In his whitey tighties.
Yeah.
So sick.
You know it.
BK, dude, killing it. Always killing it. Always stretch before work.
So I started doing that at home.
You now stretch in your underwear.
Yeah, at home.
Great.
Before anyone wakes up.
That's smart. What kind of stretching was he doing?
I don't remember. Like downward dog or something like that.
Downward dog.
Yeah. I don't feel like I'm doing anything.
You're doing great, dude. Just keep going.
You think this is the move?
I don't know what the move is anymore, Craig.
Yeah, I'll do it at the same time.
That.
You gotta crack a few eggs to make an omelet, dude, alright?
This is really where it gets. Wait! Go. Done.
I can't wait to hear all the comments of how stupid we are.
I don't think anybody's thought of this. We're the first ones.
This is false information. This is just, you're lying.
I'm not. We're the first ones to do this. We're starting a trend. Always shrink it, don't expand it. They all become stretchers if you press down too hard.
God. I hate you.
I think I can cut this down and make that work.
Sheet metal poppy.
Sheet metal poppy! How's it on this side? I mean, it's definitely getting there. It's getting there. a little more fucking around. I think I can get it to work. I do kind of remember now, like, just doing the middle
Oh.
of the other one. Like, now that we were doing it, I was like, yeah, we definitely did, like, just the middle. I mean, I'll probably end up trying to do this over again. Maybe not, though. All right. Well, hey, that's that. We did it.
Yeah, we did something.
We did something. I gotta leave, so we did something.
We did something.
Yeah. Whew, the wife's gonna be mad at me. God damn. Well, hey, that's that. Are we liking and subscribing?
I think.
Like and subscribe.
I think now is the time to
Like and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
We did it. We made a seat pan, kinda. Use this method or don't. It's up in the air. I'm up in the air about it right now. Is it a good? We've done it before. It worked. This time, not so much.
I don't like it. I didn't like any moment of that.
Of any of that?
No.
Hey.
But I did it. All right.
You
That's
did.
a lesson you guys can learn. All right. I didn't like it, but I did it.
Sure he
I
did.
didn't like this, but you should like and subscribe.
Hell yeah.
Okay. You know?
Yeah. Hell
Definitely.
yeah. Yep.
Please.
Yep.
It's free.
Send us pictures of you using this method and it coming out better than ours.
Probably. There's
Yeah.
probably a lot of those.
I'll end up doing this over. Hey, like and subscribe.
Yeah. Throw that away. Throw it away.
Like and subscribe to the channel. King and Queen seats.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.